In this lesson, we will explore the different ways to use email templates to save time. Email is an essential communication tool in both personal and professional settings. However, crafting an email message from scratch can be time-consuming, especially if you send similar messages frequently. One way to save time and streamline your email communication is by using email templates. In this lesson, we'll explore different ways to use email templates to save time. Create templates for common messages. If you find yourself sending the same message repeatedly, such as a thank you note or a follow-up email, consider creating an email template. This can help you save time and ensure that your messages are consistent and professional. Start by writing a draft of the message and saving it as a template in your email client. Use templates for email campaigns. If you regularly send email campaigns such as newsletters or product announcements, creating an email template can save time and help you maintain a consistent branding and messaging. Create a template that includes the necessary design elements such as a logo, graphics, and font styles, and use it as a starting point for your email campaigns. Personalize your templates. While email templates can save time, it's important to personalize your messages to make them relevant and engaging to your recipients. Consider adding fields for personalization, such as the recipient's name or other relevant information, to make your messages more effective. Share templates with your team. If you work in a team, consider sharing email templates to ensure that everyone is using consistent messaging and branding. You can create a shared folder or document that includes email templates for different scenarios, such as customer service inquiries, sales inquiries, or marketing campaigns. Customize your templates as needed. While email templates can save time, it's important to customize them as needed to ensure that your messages are relevant and effective. Before sending a message, review the template and make any necessary changes to personalize the message or update the content. Using email templates can save time and streamline your email communication. By creating templates for common messages, using templates for email campaigns, personalizing your templates, sharing templates with your team, and customizing your templates as needed, you can use email templates effectively and efficiently in your personal and professional communication.